Take your pasta and pour it into some boiling water in your air fryer. Now I'm gonna take this pasta and boiling water. This is going straight into the air fryer. Get a look in there, look at that. This water, I've already come to a boil here in the air fryer, and we are now going to air fry our pasta in water. Turn it on onto the air fry setting. We're at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Click the start, listen to that hum. And meanwhile, let's get our other ingredients ready. Okay, I think this is now done. Oh yeah, look at that. Perfectly cooked pasta right here in the air fryer. If you find yourself maybe in like a hotel room and all you have is an outlet, you can do all that cooking in your hotel room by using an air fryer. If you just bring an air fryer with you, I'll strain that pasta over here. Look at all that beautifully cooked air fried pasta. Then we're just gonna take that back into the air fryer, and we're turning this into big ziti. So follow that up with our tomato sauce. Pour your tomato sauce in there. And you can of course do like a meat sauce if you want, but you know, I'm just doing that kind of nice basic tomato sauce. I'm then also gonna take our ricotta cheese, place that right into there as well. Get that all in there, beautiful. And now just mix it up. This is gonna make a nice cheesy, delicious sauce all over, giving that a nice mix up, mix. Now we're gonna let this cook for a little while by also adding in our spices. A little bit of oregano goes in there along with our basil, both dried. Mix that in. Now you can make this as complex or simple as you like. This is kind of, you know, just a basic version, kind of elevated. Take that. Now this goes right back in here. Let that sauce fully heat up, and then we'll take it back out once more and top it with cheese to get golden brown on top. Wow, the kitchen smells incredible. Look at that. I mean, if that doesn't look like a delicious baked ziti, then I don't know what is. I'm telling you, if you're thinking like, Eitan, what are you doing? You can't make this in the air fryer. You factually can. Look at that and tell me that you don't think that's incredible. I mean, you have the cheese, you have the sauce. I mean, it smells incredible, looks incredible, and it's gonna taste incredible. Now, the last thing we need to do is we're just gonna take our mozzarella and top it with that mozzarella. This is going to then get nice and golden brown and caramelized, give you that kind of gooey layer on top that everyone knows and loves from baked ziti, spreading that all over top. Beautiful. Then look at that. We're gonna take this, goes right back into the air fryer, just like that. Nice and easy. Start, air fry, and we're just gonna keep on cooking that until it gets golden, bubbly, golden brown. It's gonna be really good. All right. Okay, I'm gonna shut up for a second, get nice and close, listen to that sizzle. Wow, that looks incredible. Okay, you can hate on me all you want. I know there's people in the comments who are like tired of seeing me air fry things. I'm just trying to show you what you can do. You know, you may find yourself in a situation where you have no way to cook other than an outlet. And you know, a lot of people may bring a George Foreman grill. People may bring, you know, a little panini press like that. They might bring a little kind of, you know, little heater. I'm telling you, the air fryer is what you should bring. Look at that big ziti, come on. You cannot tell me that this does not look absolutely delicious. Look at that cheese pull, that steam. Let's give it a try. It's delicious. Wow. I'm telling you, that ricotta on the inside with tomato sauce gives it like a nice cheesy sauce.